Mealtime doesn't always have to feel like a battle. You prepared a beautiful, nutritious meal with so much love. But then, your little one simply pushes the plate away. It feels heavy in your heart. You might feel like you're failing. Please, take a hungry breath. You are doing a wonderful job. Today, we are going to look at a simple habit that might be changing how your toddler eats. It is not your fault, and it is completely fixable. Imagine this scenario. You spent time chopping fresh, colorful vegetables. You carefully plated everything just right. Your toddler takes one tiny bite, then immediately turns their head away. It is a moment that can feel so incredibly discouraging. You might feel a sudden, sharp rush of worry. Is my baby getting enough nutrients? Is something wrong with their growth? It is so easy to feel defeated in these quiet, difficult moments. But please remember, this moment is just a single snapshot in time. It does not define your child's health or your skill as a parent. When a child refuses food, our first thought is often that they are simply being stubborn. We might call them fussy or difficult to explain the struggle. It is a very natural way to label the stress of mealtime. We see them fighting against the broccoli or the pasta. We think they are just testing their boundaries with you. While toddlers certainly do test boundaries, there is often much more going on beneath the surface. It is rarely about being naughty or defiant. Instead, it is often about how they are experiencing the meal itself. Understanding this shift is key. Here is the hidden truth we often overlook in the heat of the moment. Sometimes, we use food to help them finish a meal. We might say, just 2 more bites, then you get a sweet treat. Or, we use a tablet to keep them sitting still. These small, well-meaning habits can accidentally disrupt their natural hunger cues. When food becomes a reward, or a way to distract, the child stops listening to their tummy. They stop learning when they are truly full or hungry. They only learn to eat for the reward. We want them to listen to their body. You can start resetting boundaries at your very next meal. Try to keep the focus on the food and the family connection. Keep mealtime screen-free to encourage presence and awareness. Offer the same foods consistently, even if they refuse them today. This is called repeated exposure, and it is very effective. Also, try to avoid using dessert as a bribe or a reward. Let the meal be the main event. If they are finished, that is perfectly okay. Simply clean up calmly. Your goal is to make the table a safe, low-pressure place for everyone to enjoy. It is important to know the difference between a full tummy and a real aversion. If your child eats well most of the day but refuses one specific food, they are likely just satisfied. This is a healthy part of development. However, if they are losing interest in all food or acting distressed, please reach out. If you are worried, always check with your pediatrician. They can provide the professional guidance you need. Most of the time, this is just a passing phase. You can rebuild a peaceful relationship with food, one bite at a time. You've got this. You are doing so much better than you think. These small, gentle changes will lead to big, beautiful shifts. Be patient with your little one, and most importantly, be patient with yourself. You are creating a foundation of healthy habits that will last a lifetime. You are doing an amazing job, Mama. If you want more videos like this, subscribe and follow World of Baby. See you in the next one.